Everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your favicon on Squarespace step by step. First, head to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your sites. Click on the website you want to edit. This takes you into your website's backend editor. You'll see the main menu appear on the left side of the screen. Now here's the quickest way to get to the favicon settings. Press the / key on your keyboard. That's the one above the question mark. This opens up a search panel. Type the word Favicon into the search box. You'll see the Favicon option appear in the results. Click on it. The Favicon settings panel opens up on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll upload your new Favicon image. In the Favicon panel, you'll see an image uploader under the section labeled Default. You can either drag your Favicon file directly into this uploader, or click on the uploader to browse for the file on your computer. Once you select your image, it uploads and appears in the preview area so you can see what it'll look like. Just below the default Favicon section, there's an option to add a dark mode version of your favicon. This is completely optional, but if you want your favicon to look different when visitors are using dark mode on their device, you can upload a second version here. Just drag or click to upload the dark mode version the same way you did with the default one. The dark mode favicon will show up in its own preview area. Once your favicon is uploaded, and your dark mode version too, if you added one look to the top left corner of the panel, you'll see a Save button. Click that to save your changes. The panel will close and your new favicon is now live on your site. One quick note, if you check your site and the favicon hasn't updated yet, it's probably your browser holding onto the old cached version. Clear your browser cache and restart your browser, or open your site in an incognito window to see the new favicon immediately. Browsers can be very persistent about cached favicons. Also, for best results across all browsers, make sure your favicon image is sized between 100 by 100 and 300 by 300 pixels, and keep the file size under 100 kilobytes. If you want your favicon to show up in Google search results, use dimensions that are a multiple of 48 pixels square, like 48 by 48, 96 by 96, or 144 by 144, and that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.